Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that pits products against each other in a no-holds-barred battle to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max and the QIDI Q1 Pro. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about speed. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max boasts a max speed of 500 millimeters per second, which is pretty impressive. However, the QIDI Q1 Pro takes it up a notch with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers have praised the QIDI Q1 Pro for its blazing speed, making it ideal for those in a hurry to complete their prints. Next, let's talk size. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers a massive printing size of 16.5x, 16.5x, 19.7 inches. Reviewers have appreciated its large build volume, making it perfect for big projects. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro has a more modest build size, which some users found limiting. If you're planning to print larger objects, the Kobra 2 Max is your go-to. Now, let's dive into smart features. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max comes with an app that offers a range of functionalities, from firmware upgrades to model searches. Reviewers found the app useful but noted that it could use some improvements. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, comes with a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, along with a mobile app and 32 GB eMMC internal storage. This makes it a favorite among those who like to keep an eye on their prints. Auto-leveling and calibration are crucial for a smooth printing experience. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max offers effortless auto-leveling with a unique Z-axis offset compensation. Reviewers appreciated its ease of use, but mentioned some initial calibration might be needed. The QIDI Q1 Pro, with its dual sensors for precise, auto-leveling and smart filament detection, provides an even more reliable setup according to user feedback. Let's not forget the extruder and temperature control. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max features a direct extruder and a dual-motor, dual Z-axis structure, optimized for quick melting and cooling. Users have praised its performance, but noted some issues with filament entanglement. The QIDI Q1 Pro steps it up with an active heating chamber that can go up to 60 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for tricky filaments. Reviewers found this feature particularly useful for preventing warping. Reviewers generally find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max to be a great choice for beginners, offering fast and precise printing with a large build volume. Some issues like filament entanglement and LCD screen problems have been noted, but customer support is responsive. The QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its high speed, advanced features, and precision, although it has some drawbacks like slower bed heating and a smaller build size. So there you have it, folks. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max and the QIDI Q1 Pro each have their own unique strengths. If you need a beast with a massive print size and a smart app, go for the Kobra 2 Max. But if speed, precision, and a heated chamber tickle your fancy, the QIDI Q1 Pro is your jam. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart showdowns. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart.